In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy a Bitcoin call option on Deribit. Begin by navigating to the Options section in your Deribit account. Once you're there, make sure the underlying cryptocurrency asset is set to BTC so you're viewing the Bitcoin options chain. Next, choose the expiration date for the option you want to buy. Along the top of the options chain, you'll see a horizontal timeline with different expiration dates. Select the one that matches your strategy. Shorter expirations have lower premiums but decay more quickly, while longer expirations provide more time for the trade but generally cost more. After selecting the expiration, locate the call option matrix. The option screen is divided into 3 sections. The left side displays call contracts, the center column lists the available strike prices, and the right side displays put contracts. Scroll through the strike price column until you find the price you're looking for. Once you've found it, look to the left side of that row to view the trading data for the corresponding call option. To open the order entry ticket, click directly on either the bid or ask price for your selected call option. This will open the order entry panel where you'll configure your purchase. Inside the order panel, set the order type to limit, then enter the price you're willing to pay in BTC. Option prices on Deribit are shown in fractions of Bitcoin. If you prefer, you can click the current best bid or best ask value to automatically fill in a competitive price. Next, enter the quantity for your position. On Deribit, 1 contract equals 1 BTC of underlying exposure. If you want to use less capital, you can enter a fractional amount, such as 0.1 or 0.05, instead of a full contract. You'll also see a post-only option. If you want your order to remain on the order book as a maker, check this box before submitting your order. Once you've entered all of your order details, review the total margin or premium required shown at the bottom of the order ticket. This displays the exact amount of BTC that will be deducted from your available balance to purchase the contract. When everything looks correct, click the green Buy button. A confirmation window will appear. Review the summary to make sure you're buying a call option with the correct strike price and expiration date. If everything is correct, confirm the order. After your order is filled, the contract will no longer appear in your active order log. Instead, it will move to the Positions tab at the bottom of the interface, where you can monitor your open position and watch the real-time floating profit and loss as the price of Bitcoin changes. Thank you for watching.